Hey y'all, it's Kickstick here, finally with a good fucking haircut. I don't know how, but it just fixed itself over time after some few days. Today, I finally got my new headphones. Now, let me give you a bit of a brief context on why I actually got new headphones. So, I was using these as my old favorite headphones. These are the Superlux HD681, I think. I don't remember the exact model number. Yeah, it says HD681. But yeah, I was using these for a while. They sounded really good, but they were uncomfortable as fuck. And at the time of me getting these, they were the 12th best headphone in the world, I think. They were like pretty good in the rankings, and the website that I get my headphone information from, like how it sounds, the comfort and everything like that, if it has ANC ratings or ratings, I don't know how it's pronounced, updates their lists constantly when they do like new headphone tests, or if they get like new equipment and they retest their stuff. So headphones constantly move up and down their list. And recently I saw something that was shocking. I saw a Beats headphone in top 5, and that's what I got for my new headphones. But if you guys are wondering, by the way, after this I had an in-between headphone, which are these. So these are the KZ ZSM Pro X's. I use these for editing, I use these for streaming, you know, all kinds of stuff. They're still good, they're still usable, they're not broken, but you know, over or like on-ear headphones, it feels way more different. It feels more immersive. And you know, these Beats headphones that I was talking about that I got, that are number 4 in the fucking world, I'm hoping that they sound way better than the KZs and the Superluxes. So I still got it in the cardboard box, by the way. I haven't seen the normal packaging that I got, which I need to cut this. What's in the box? Let's see, I'm gonna give you guys the first look. Is there fucking blood on this? No, it's something else. Oh! They're really small, what the fuck? Damn, this is straight from US as well. Okay, it shows apple.com. I can't believe that I got an Apple product. I'm a big Apple hater. But anyways, okay, I like the opening type as well. It says works with Android as well, which is amazing. It doesn't say PC, but I'm guessing that I won't have any problems with my computer while using this. I like the eco-friendly packaging, but I'm gonna be honest, I like the old, you know, immersive packaging. Ooh. Comes with this carrying case. Pretty dope. Scan for a complete product guide. I don't think I need that right now. Alright, so let me open this and see them for the first time. These are on-ear headphones, by the way. They're not over the ear. Doesn't really feel like this carrying case opens all that well. Oh, they are tiny. Oh my god. I'm 181, by the way. I don't know if I look like huge on camera when I hold these, but I'm not that big. Let me do a quick wear test. Where's the left and right stickers? Okay, it says left here. I like that they put the directional guides on one side. Ooh. I heard that certain people said that it actually is pretty uncomfortable to use these after some time, but I don't know. I don't think they're gonna be a problem. I think it kind of depends on the head shape. Ooh, I like the way they sit. I'm going to figure out which setting I need to use. This is what I used to do with my old Beats headphones. I think I had the Studio something. They were like, I bought them when Monster was making Beats headphones, by the way. And Dr. Dre was like all over the box in marketing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other side, 5. All right, let's try them like this. Alright, if you open them decently, they're pretty comfortable. But I like that they're sitting flush. I can hear myself right now, which I don't like. No, actually, it's kind of a good thing. That means that it has like good isolation. Isolation?
Flow like water. Fuck shit like fuck.
Yeah, isolation. The carrying case also has 2 cables. I'm guessing one of them is the charging cable, the USB-C, and the other one is the 3.5mm cable. There's a lot of cardboard that come with these headphones. Okay, this is the charging. We don't need that right now. I'm just gonna do a 3.5mm test because I want to use these headphones for everything that I do on my PC. This is the very important 3.5mm cable. I'm gonna connect these to my PC. It doesn't have the converter, the DJ converter. I don't think we have that, so I'm gonna use the regular 3.5mm cable. Let's see how good this sounds. All right. Oh, I don't like that the cable is gray, by the way. It's a black headphone. It's gonna really pop with that cable. Let me disable any audio enhancements if I have them with my headphones. All right, I'm gonna listen to Cats on the Ceiling, but the original one. Oh my god, please be good, please. Oh. I'm gonna connect this to my audio interface. I don't think my 3.5mm jack, it's powerful enough to, you know, connect this to my PC. So plus if I connect these headphones to the audio interface, it'll sound clearer as well. Alright, so Dolby Atmos, turn that off. Don't want any artificial mixing. Oh, actually, this is actually a great chance, now that I think about it, to maybe connect my headphones to my PC and compare, but I can kind of tell. I use that device every day, so. Alright. Alright, I don't think Cats on the Ceiling is actually doing that much, so I'm gonna try another song, like Die With A Smile. Ooh, hold on. One, I remember my benchmark, and two, I see it now. Hold on. I'm gonna take my glasses real quick. Alright, let's try it again. Ooh. Alright, I did like a fucking 20-minute testing right now. And you might be thinking, how did you do it? Alright, so this is gonna maybe look stupid, but you know, headphones make vibrations. All audio products nearly make vibrations in order to, you know, give us some sound. So basically I just put it on my hand in order to feel like how much it vibrates, mainly because for some reason it felt like while I was listening to some songs, the audio was inconsistent. Like the right ear, I thought, was way more louder than the left one. Let me do one more test and then I'll give you guys my conclusion about these. Alright, so okay. I listened to some few songs, but the problem that I had with these songs nowadays is they sound similar with different headphones, and the reason why that is because like a lot of the songs that I listen to NF Search, or like let's say like a Bruno Mars song that I listen to, and you know Bruno Mars kind of likes the old kind of techie vibe, and I don't think he really like updates. I don't think he uses like modern tech a lot. He tends to rely on like classical like musical equipment because maybe he wants to like use retro shit. At least that's what it sounds like with his music. But yeah, I use NF Search and I watched the Avengers Infinity War trailer that was posted on the Dolby Atmos channel. So this time I just couldn't tell the difference between this and the Super Luxes. The only thing being, this is gonna sound shocking since we're talking about a Beats headphone. It's not as bassy like a regular headphone. It's like lacking the bass a little bit, and whenever it has bass, it's a weird one. It's actually the same type of bass that I got with the Super Luxes, but I don't know how to tell you. You know how like when bass is really powerful, it like shakes your head? The bass that these guys have, it's like a gentle touch. It's like a wave. Like you feel it like that. I like these a lot. The sound quality and everything right now, like I'm actually satisfied with my purchase. I want to boost the audio a little bit. It sounds a little bit quiet, but considering that they're on-ear headphones, it's good that they work a little bit quiet. One thing that I really noticed was with my older Beats headphones, whenever you go above a certain audio level, the audio would distort really heavily. These ones, they don't have distortions, but like no, they do have distortions actually, but like the distortion doesn't sound as bad. And like it happens at a way higher level compared to other headphones, which is good. And I'm shocked to hear this actually. It's shocking to me that Apple and Beats have made something, you know, this good. These guys, oh my god, they changed over the years a lot. The last Beats headphone that I had though, to be fair, was like the Monster Beats. That was the Beats that everybody was shitting on, that was only like made for looks and stuff. I also like how compact they are, so that, you know, like when I can travel, I can just like, you know, get this pouch, put them in there, and then just, you know, on the road just listen to some stuff. I should probably also try it with Bluetooth as well and see if there's like any audio difference. Maybe 3.5mm, it doesn't give the best audio quality. All right, okay. Ooh, they're opened. Oh, I think I see them. Oh, Beats Solar 4! Downloading the device app on Google Play. Okay. Location permission. I don't know why it would. Sure. It has 20% audio, so let me test this real quick. I mean, technically speaking though, 20% battery will probably be way more than enough. I heard that these guys, like with 10 minutes of charging, I think they last for like half an hour or so. But yeah, let me try Cats on the Ceiling again with this. Oh no. Yeah, something is off. Something is definitely off. I think I need like an app or something. It sounds way better on my phone. Thank God I did that test before I ended the video. It sounds too different for me to be okay with this. Wait. Actually, why don't I try using Bluetooth on... Oh, I like the audio thingies. Okay, the audio feedback. What? Oh my god, it saved the name? Alright. Yeah, let's try espresso again with these. Ooh. Okay. I feel like they probably have a little bit more power to them. I want to try it like with the, you know, I want to try it with the 3.5mm, but with a lot more power this time. Maybe that'll fix my issues. Because look, it sounds great via Bluetooth on both my PC and on my phone. It sounds better on my phone though. But technically speaking as well, here's the thing. I have a 10700K CPU and my motherboard doesn't really have the most modern Bluetooth. So, you know, it probably also doesn't sound as good because of that. But alright, let's try it again. Okay, it's weird. Here's the thing. The high-end headphones, like the lo-fi headphones, not lo-fi, hi-fi, like the really audiophile headphones, they have this thing where like some of these high-end devices, they tend to underdo the bass in my opinion. I feel like I can understand if you really want to match like the frequency to the Harman range or something. I forgot what it was called, but you know, like I understand if you want to have your headphones frequencies match like a certain frequency response, but at the same time, like I feel like people are so fatigued with the overuse of bass over the years that they underdo it. For example, Cats on the Ceiling by Rule, amazing song. Like this song at the start has these like 808s that go like boom 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 boom, and like if you don't feel that with a certain amount of bass, it feels really like underwhelming. And like it was meant to be felt as well, you can see, because it's like a heartbeat. It's like something like that. Anyways, okay, so the issue that I had was apparently the lack of these sound so good now. I'm so happy. I didn't know that more volume was the solution. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna lower the audio a little bit more. I can hear some white noise in the background. Let me try it one last time. This was what I was using before with my KZs. Nope. Yeah, you need that extra boost. Alright. Yes, this is perfect. Okay. But yeah, like I was saying, guys, let me actually put these over here. I'm also really happy that they work really well with 3.5mm. I feel like I should probably get some USB-C adapters or something like that. And then, you know, like use these via USB-C at some point if I'm gonna use them cabled. But, you know, I'm pretty happy with the way they are. I don't know what to say. I actually like the, you know, old Beats headphones as well back in the day. But, you know, I feel like if I actually put them on nowadays with my current like knowledge about music and audio engineering and everything like that, I would probably be like, oh my god, I loved these back in the day. Why did I? It's like they sound like shit. But you know, if you guys are looking for new headphones and you need something that you can use for editing, something for gaming, something for like listening to some music outside, like the shocking thing is through Bluetooth, these motherfuckers last for 50 hours on full charge. And while it had 20% charge, I just full on blasted the audio. It was so much that I had to like lower it down a lot. Like, oh my god, I can't use these now. I just cannot. Now that I think about it, I should probably order like a USB-C adapter or something like that and just use these via USB-C. So I don't have to ever unplug a cable. I can just use these cabled with my phone as well. Finally, oh my god. Do you know how long I've been doing? Do you know how long I've been waiting for this? Do you know how long I've been wanting a high-end headphone? Like KZs are good and all, but they're not like high-end. It's like they do these processing with their headphones where like you kind of hear white noise no matter what device you use at like certain frequency, and it's like pretty annoying. You only hear that when you're like listening to music, which is the one part where like it has to perform the best, right? Even though I like them and everything, they're not there. They're not up to par with my needs. Oh my god, I finally... good headphones! Thank you, God. Thank you. That's about it for my Beats Solo 4 review, guys. This has been an hour. I mean, to be honest with you, most of the parts of the video are probably going to be cut by a lot because it's just me talking about some stuff way too long, and on top of that there's a lot of like breaks where like I'm trying to like plug in stuff. But yeah, what do you guys think about the new Beats products? Have you tried Beats Solo 4? Do you guys like it, or have you not liked it, or are you considering getting a Beats Solo 4 wireless? I think it's just called Beats Solo 4, by the way. But yeah, write it in the comments section. Also, one more thing, these have microphones, but I heard that it's pretty shitty, so I don't recommend these if you guys are thinking about getting it as a headset. I don't have an issue with getting a headphone without a microphone because I can just use my webcam mic and my like my regular mic when I'm doing these videos. Plus, if I actually like go abroad and need to use a mic for something like that, I think using the headset microphone would be really funny. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Love y'all. Take care, and yeah, see you in the next content. Bye bye.